Hey, Stripe. It was just really cute how you had your back feet. It's all good. Well, we've got just a sprinkle of rain this morning, so I'm going to put the food in here. Morris is up the hill in the chair again. I did get an appointment for Panther at 8:30, so we're fixing to crate him up and go. We were up at 7. We were up early for us. And anyway, so we got to be fast out here today. Here's Tux Man. Hey, bud. Good morning. Yeah, I know you're busy eating. Says, let me eat, Mom. Hi, Gray. Good morning. Oh, what a big stretch. Here you go. Hi. Good morning. Thanks for your help. He almost wouldn't come to me, but then, you know, he loves his mama. It was a struggle for him, you could tell. Kind of like the Force. Yeah. Don's got on his new Star Wars shirt. Yeah. And he'd be pulled to the mom's side or the Hyde side, you know. Mom's side won. Panther and I are up here. I'm plenty early, so I'm not rushing. I see a tuxedo cat over here on this side of the building. They take care of several ferals that live along the railroad tracks. Of course, all spayed, neutered, have shots and stuff. So, I see them on occasion. I have super good news about Bob, the female cat. Her owner was able to get her last night. She was spotted 2 or 3 nights in a row on a security camera 1 street over. Remember, the story of Bob is her owner moved houses from one side of Fuquay to over by us, 1 community down on Wagstaff, and the cat got out despite her every attempt to have a tracker on the cat and keep the cat safe. And the cat had been missing for over a week. But, you know, the whole community with all the posters up and stuff was looking for Bob. And Bob was found last night. I'm back outside now and going to head back home with Panther. We're out here for our walk, and the trash all up and down Wagstaff is the worst I've seen it. So that's going to be our focus today. Well, the story we're weaving is that some guy got mad at his girlfriend and threw her jewelry out the window, because there's a couple sterling silver pieces, but it's mostly costume jewelry. We've saved it out of the trash bag, and I'll probably donate it to Guardian Angel. Is it diesel? Don says it's been running the whole time we were walking. We were walking for 70 minutes. All we did was pick up trash. Over 100 bend-overs per person. Yeah, Don and I wish North Carolina Roadside Cleanup would accept us into the program and help us out, but since they won't, they say they're full. We're stopping to pick up the bags we left along the side of the road. We had so many today, we couldn't carry them all.
But you know, the good thing is we started with 3 bags, and I threw away 3 more. So we actually picked up all the bags that you were loading in the car, plus the replacement set of bags that we started with. So it's like, you know, ask and ye shall receive.
Yeah, we were thankful to find a few bags today. Right. We needed them desperately. Yeah. Johnny and I are headed to an appointment this afternoon. It's 82 out there according to Ruby, and the sky looks changing and potentially stormy. I don't know. I think there's like a 30% chance of a shower this afternoon, so I wouldn't be shocked, but I'm not expecting it either. Well, even out in the country, you follow other Teslas here. Yeah, I guess, you know, I can understand why a lot of people have stopped counting or stopped waving, but I'm just not quite there yet. But I totally get it. I totally get it at this point. I didn't realize I-40 on approach to Hillsboro had so much traffic, construction stuff going on with it. It's kind of a mess. I'm liking it. It's a P85 Plus and it's silver. Johnny and I are on our way back home now, and we're having fun in RTP, Research Triangle Park, rush hour traffic. We are fixing to get off on the turnpike though, and things will improve drastically and quickly once we do that. So a half mile, here we come. So they let you give today?
They did.
Yeah. You got your boo-boo bandage?
Got my boo-boo bandage.
Okay. Aww. Was he in your lap?
He was up here snuggled.
Oh my God, and I missed that. Don told me to come, and I'm like, huh?
Different. So it's Minnie today.
Yeah.
It's Mickey Mouse.
Oh well.
Disney Year's turn.
Don the cat whisperer.
That's right.
Okay, I remember that now.
It drives them nuts.
They want you if you don't want them.
With the mouse ears that keeps catching my eye too. Very pretty.
So I've got the second floor done. Still the 2 flowers shy down there. And I've got the roof on the second floor, but I've got to build the peak. That's what it's going to look like. But I'm out of time for tonight, so I'm stopping for now. I fixed up, changed up the colors on this little border up here. He had some not what I wanted colors, so I fixed it. Browning the pork chops and then putting them in the oven to bake. Still loving this digital meat thermometer with the local alarm. Means you gotta get up, you can't forget about it. Works fantastic.